Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy. This is my kitchen. And there's Ginger right there and Teddy. They're already here in the kitchen because they see me with this large box of Digiorno crispy pan pizza. So it was only $8.99, and we paid like $1 more extra because our supermarket across the street. And we would go to our regular supermarket, which is HEB. It would have been like $1.50 less. But this is the pizza right here. So it says that you gotta bake it and put this in the middle of the oven for between 24 and 27 minutes. But if you want it crispier, with a crispier crust, you leave it on for 3 more minutes. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't feel like cooking, you know? So it's one of those days when you're like, you know what, this is what we're gonna eat. And then if anybody wants a sandwich later or a shake, everybody is an adult in this house. They can go ahead and do what they want. Right, Mike?
That's right.
For dinner. But I'm going to take the plastic off. And then it says it's only 1 minute, but it doesn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in before the minute. And I'm going to put the timing. Right, Mike?
That's right.
So the timing is... They said 21, Michael? 27 minutes and... Clock and bake on 400. So we're gonna put it in the middle of the oven for 25 to 27 minutes on 400, just like that. And we are going to close it, and we're gonna go, and you guys are gonna go ahead and subscribe. That way you guys can follow us, and don't forget to touch the notification button, so every time that bell rings, you guys can get one of these crazy videos that sometimes I just like out of nowhere. I'm like, okay, this is what we're gonna make. When we come back, we'll be taking that out. We'll wait a few minutes, and then I will be eating my slice, and you guys can enjoy eating the slice with me. So with that, I'll let you guys go. It's a cheap way to go. $8.99. You can feed 4 people. You have 2 kids or 3 kids. They can all get a slice. They're very nice and thick. They have a lot of cheese, a lot of pepperoni. You have your dough. They're good. Trust me. So that's the oven telling me that is starting to count right now. So with that, guys, I'll see you guys in 26 minutes. Okay? Thanks for watching. Don't drink and drive. It has 12 minutes. We're going to count together. We're back with the pizza. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. There you go. Now we're going to take it out. I'm going to put it on top of the stove, guys. And I'm going to let it cool off, okay?
Look at that.
That's what we're going to do. Okay, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is very hot.
Steamy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Oh. Okay, I'm going to let it cool off for like 5 minutes. And then when we come back, before we close, I'm going to cut it. I'm going to take a piece. I'm going to eat it. And you guys are going to watch me eat it. Okay, guys? I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't drink and drive. I love you all. Be back in 5 minutes. Don't forget to come back. So we're back. It was like 3 minutes because I'm really hungry. So Michael is like, oh, Mom, don't do that. And I'm like, why not? I'm the cook. I know what I'm doing. Look how nice that comes. I just want everybody
I gotta take a picture
to take a look at it. Go ahead. There you go. So if you look at it, I want to show you something. I want to show everybody, look, see? It's nice and cooked in the bottom and on the sides. So what are we going to do, Michael? We're going to cut?
That's right.
Like that?
Yep.
Okay. I just want to make sure that, you know. Okay. That's the first cut. 2. Like that. Huh? Yeah? You want to do it in the middle now? What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Can you move? Because I feel like you're right there. You know? And I might you know, we might collide. Look at that. Beautiful.
Perfection.
So I like wow, look at that, guys. So just gonna take a little bit so you guys. No, very good. And I like eating these guys, you know what? With a little bit of my coffee, but these are delicious. You got your pepperoni, you got your cake. No, to die for. So with that, guys, whenever you're hungry, if you don't have any money, or you're tired, sometimes you just don't know what to cook. Sometimes You have the food to cook, whatever you want to cook, but you just don't feel like it. Sometimes your mind is just not there. You know, sometimes you want someone else to feed you. And sometimes it's just easy to get some frozen food that is somewhat good. Throw it in the oven, everybody can have lunch. Now everybody can have lunch in my house. We have, look how many. I'm going to give 2 pieces to my husband. My son Michael will probably eat 3. And I'll give the other one 2. And if he doesn't want to, I guess Michael will eat 5. So with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Pinterest. Wherever you guys see us. I love me some pizza like that. And I'm so happy that I can eat all this, but I haven't done my workout, which I'm going to be going later. So with that, have a nice day. Don't drink and drive. Love you all. Thanks for watching again. Another episode of Cindy's Station. Bye now.